What's up guys, Dakota here and welcome back to the Driven Mad channel. Now as you can probably tell from the title of this video, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I went ahead and bought a 2019 Camaro SS 1LE. So yeah, went ahead and picked it up. I got it yesterday and I've been kind of toying with the idea for a little bit. Now, if you're new to the channel, you won't know this, but if you have been subscribed to me for a little bit, you'll know that I was making videos with the Jeep. Don't worry, it's still here. We still got it around, so I've got that for the off-road stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys kind of my plans and you know, why I got the 1LE and things like that. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so what's interesting about the 1LE is that I was actually going to buy a 1LE before I bought the Jeep. I was actually planning on getting a Hyper Blue 1LE, and then I decided to get the Jeep, and I don't regret getting the Jeep at all. But it's funny now that I'm in one, when I was originally going to buy one in the first place. So it's just kind of funny. And the reason I bought it, some of the plans that I have for this thing is, naturally the 1LE is the track package car, right? It's not the straight line speed car. You know, it's not the ZL1. It's got 650 horsepower, but it's still fast. Trust me. Like, even only in my first day of having it, not even a full day, it's fast. But my main plans with this thing is to actually take it to a track, because that's what this car was designed for. You know, it's not, and I'm not talking a drag strip, I mean like an actual track, because just from what I've done so far in it, like, the steering feel is fantastic. The throttle response in track mode is great. The suspension feels really, like, I mean, the car feels so planted. So I want to actually take it to a track, and, you know, kind of experience that side of it, since that's what this particular car was designed for. And I'm like, I gotta tell you guys, I'm super excited about it. You know, we're gonna make some pretty cool videos with it, whether it's on the track or, you know, giving people acceleration reactions, because despite what everyone thinks, 455 horsepower is still a lot of horsepower. But yeah, guys, I mean, just I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but just, this is barely anything, barely any gas. Oh, it's awesome. It sounds so good. So yeah, guys, we'll do a full, once it's kind of a bit more broken in here. I'm kind of doing like a mixed break-in. I'm not necessarily staying below 4,000, but I'm also not dogging it every single chance I get. But once it gets a little bit more broken in, we'll do like a full official first drive of it, and I'm gonna try to make the video super awesome. And don't worry, we're still gonna make videos with the Jeep. Just now I'm also gonna have this. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more about it, if there's anything you have questions about as far as the 1LE goes, please leave a comment down below and let me know, and you know, I'll try to respond to you or make a video about it. Anything you want to see, just let me know. But anyways guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos on this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Anyways guys, take care.